Hello everyone, for today's video I'm gonna make a homemade white bread, and I got started this warm water or boiling water, but we will add cold water so not get so hot, so the yeast that we gonna put in the bread is, or in the dough, is not get diced. So we will put cold water this one, because I'm gonna put powdered milk on this one, so I can mix it and not get like lump. So this is why what I'm gonna do, I'm mixing the hot water. This is easy recipe. Ayan, so it's easy to melt the powdered milk. See? If you put like cold or warm, only warm water, they're not get dissolved easily. So that's what I'm doing. I put hot water, boiling water, and I'm gonna put cold water. Yan. So this is already full. I got 1 1/3 cup of 1 1/3, yeah, 1 1/3 cup of milk. So we're gonna put first here in our, I did not show that, this is a bread maker. See, that's a bread maker, and that is the handle, the one that it's just like doing the dough mixing. It's a mixer, so we will put that there. 1 1/3 cup of warm milk. That's warm because I put cold water. And this is our dry yeast. We will put 1 teaspoonful dry yeast, 2 tablespoons white sugar, 1 egg. Make it sure no shell on that one. Instead of oil, I'm gonna put real butter. It's about 2 tablespoons of real butter. I like butter anyways. We will mix it so that the egg there make the egg is mixed all together, and the rest of the ingredients in there, sugar, so there, and 3 cups of flour. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1/2 scoop. That's why 6. So, and we will put salt. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. There you go. And we will put in our bread maker. And we will select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 means dough. That one. 8 means dough. Then we will start. Pasensya kasi na ano na yan, no? Na malamig kasi doon sa taas inilagay itong bread maker, kaya siya nag-i-steam. And we will wait for about 1 hour to make all the dough is formed and rising a little bit. Okay, see you later. No, ganyan lang siya. Diba? Ayan na guys, tapos na ang ating dough. Ayan. Nawala yung paddle. Ayan ang paddle. Ang paddle. Kalimutan ko pala maglagay ng oil. Sandali. Oil. Yan, gaganon lang yan. Ipo-form lang natin ng lag. Ayan, tapos i-erase lang natin ng mga 2 hours. May ilaw para mag-erase siya. Ayan na po. Ilalagay na natin sa oven. Ayan. Luto na. Luto na ang ating bread. Lalagyan natin ng butter para hindi siya titigas. Yan, lalagyan ng butter para masarap. Yummy, yummy. Yan po. Tanggalin natin. Oh, ang init, ang init, ang init. Tingnan nga natin. Oh. Yan. Sarap. So lambot. Sarap. Melting in my mouth. Yummy. Yan po. Thanks for watching.